Hi, Boomiverse. My name is Hunter Wiedemeyer, a software engineer here at Boomi, and in this video, I'll be discussing two different scenarios users may encounter when using Boomi GPT and the Boomi Scribe AI agent to generate documentation for multiple processes. So let's get started. Let's say, for example, I have a number of processes that I created during a few Boomi training courses that I went through. And I want to have a reference point as to what I built in case I ever need to go back and see what I made and how I made it, just as a reference point. So what I could do in this case, is the first scenario, is I could just copy this URL here in my browser, come back to Boomi GPT, add the process link. And what's strange is when I did that, it only picked up one process. And why is that? The reason for that is because when I copied the browser, the integration troubleshooting professional process was the process that I was viewing in my browser. In the URL itself, there is a focus point component on focus, which notes and includes in the URL the process component that I am viewing when I copied that URL. And what happens is when you put that and copy that over into Boomi GPT, it will reference just that component on focus to determine, oh, this is the process that you want to generate documentation for. It will not look at every other component that you have open and generate that documentation. Similarly, let's say, okay, if I can't do it like this and I have to do all the URLs individually, let's say that I go through and I open up each of these processes individually and copy the process component browser URL up here. And for example, if I take these two away, you can see that the URL shortens, and now all we have is the integration troubleshooting professional process. And this is just all that we have here. Let's say that I did that with the other two processes, and now I have a list of these browser process component URLs, and I want to see, okay, let's go ahead and copy this over into Boomi GPT. If I come in here, clear this out, add the link, I try and paste these in here, it will let me initially. But if I hit add, I'll get a warning that, oh, only process links are allowed. Well, that is correct. What's happening is that this whole string is being considered as one URL that you are trying to paste in. Boomi GPT and Boomi Scribe does not support pasting multiple process links in this add link field at once, which means similar to the last scenario, we have to do this one at a time. So you can clear this out and go back to Notepad. Copy my single process URL. And what I can actually do is, instead of copying it from Notepad, I'll just come up here, back to the platform, copy it from the platform, paste that in there. And if I hit add, there we go. Now I have my integration troubleshooting professional process noted there, and I can ask Boomi GPT to document this process. Now that I've done that, the Boomi Scribe AI agent will be triggered and it will begin generating my process documentation. And there we go. Thank you for your time. Please enjoy the rest of your day.